Sometimes life feels very quiet. Not quiet because everything is good. Not quiet because you feel peaceful. It is quiet because you feel alone. You sit in a room. The room is silent. You can hear your own breathing. You look around. Nothing feels wrong, but nothing feels right. Inside your heart, there is a heavy feeling. You wake up in the morning. You open your eyes slowly. You look at the ceiling. You stay still for a moment. Another day has come. You take a deep breath. You tell yourself, I must get up. You move your body. You sit on the bed. You put your feet on the floor. Your body is awake, but your heart feels tired. You go to the bathroom. You wash your face. You look in the mirror. You see your face. You see your eyes. Your eyes look tired. They look quiet. They look like they have many stories, stories you never told anyone. You try to smile. The smile is small. The smile feels weak, but you smile anyway. You get ready for the day. You put on your clothes. You fix your hair. You prepare yourself. You look normal. You look fine. But inside, you feel empty. You go outside. You go to work. You go to school. You do what you must do. People see you. People talk to you. Some people laugh. You answer them. You talk back. You nod your head. No one knows how you feel. No one knows the weight in your heart. You do your work. You complete your tasks. You follow the rules. Time moves slowly. Your body is present, but your mind is far away. Sometimes you ask yourself, why do I feel like this? I have food. I have a place to stay. So why am I not happy? You feel guilty for feeling sad. You tell yourself, others have it worse. I should be grateful. But the sadness does not leave, because feelings do not listen to logic. Feelings come quietly. They sit inside your heart. You cannot see them, but you feel them. When the day ends, you feel tired again. You go back home. You sit down. You finally relax your body. The world becomes quieter. And then your thoughts begin. At night, when everything is silent, your mind becomes loud. You lie on your bed. You turn left. You turn right. Sleep does not come easily. You think about your life. You think about your past. You remember who you were before. You remember your dreams. You remember the days when you smiled easily. The days when hope felt close. You had dreams, simple dreams. You wanted to be happy. You wanted to feel loved. You wanted to feel safe. You did not dream of too much. Just a calm life, a warm heart, a peaceful mind. But life changed. Things did not go as planned. Some dreams broke quietly. Some dreams disappeared slowly. Some dreams hurt too much to remember. Maybe someone left your life. Maybe someone hurt you. Maybe you failed at something important. Maybe you tried your best, and it was still not enough. That pain stays inside you. You do not talk about it. You keep it hidden. You tell yourself to be strong. But being strong is hard. Some days you feel weak. Some days you feel lost. Some days you feel broken. And you wonder, is something wrong with me? Please listen carefully. There is nothing wrong with you. Feeling tired does not mean you are weak. Feeling sad does not mean you are broken. It means you are human. You feel because you care. You feel because your heart is alive. Look at yourself. You are still here. You wake up every day. You keep going, even when it hurts. That is strength. You may not see it, but it is there. Every difficult morning you survived made you stronger. Every night you cried quietly showed how deep your heart is. Tears are not a sign of failure. Tears are a sign of honesty. You cried because you felt pain. You cried because you tried. You cried because you hoped. That matters. Sometimes you feel broken, like something inside you cracked. But broken does not mean you. Stars shine brightest in the dark. Your pain does not erase your value. It adds depth to your story. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to have everything figured out. Life is not a race. You do not need to move fast. You are allowed to move slowly. You are allowed to rest. You are allowed to stop and breathe. Sometimes doing nothing is also healing. Be kind to yourself. You are often kind to others. You listen to them. You support them. You forgive them. But you are hard on yourself. You blame yourself. You judge yourself. Please stop for a moment. Talk to yourself gently. If your friend felt this way, you would comfort them. So why not comfort yourself? Say this quietly in your heart. I am trying. I am doing my best. That is enough for today. Some days, your best is big. Some days, your best is small. Both are okay. Healing is not loud. Healing is slow. It happens in quiet moments. It happens when you choose to stay, even when leaving feels easier. You may feel alone, but you are not alone. Someone else, somewhere, feels the same way. They also lie awake at night. They also question their life. They also feel tired, even if you never meet them. One day, this pain will soften. It will not disappear suddenly, but it will change. You will breathe a little easier. You will laugh without forcing it. You will feel light again, not because life became perfect, but because you grew stronger inside. You learned how to survive storms. You learned how to stand after falling. You learned how to keep going. Your story is not finished. This chapter is hard, but it is not the end. Better days do not come fast. They come quietly, like morning light. At first, you do not notice it. Then one day, you realize. You feel calm. You feel okay. And that is enough. So now, take a deep breath. Slowly breathe in. Hold it gently. And slowly breathe out. Feel your body relax. You are here. You are alive. You matter. If no one told you this today, hear it now. You are important. Your feelings are valid. Your life has meaning. Even on days when you feel empty, even on days when you feel lost, you are doing better than you think. Be patient with yourself. Be gentle with your heart. Your journey is not over, and you are not alone. Thank you for listening.